Manny Pacquiao, Freddie, Team Pacquiao, man, thank you. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you. Thank you for this opportunity. I waited on this, 18 years of my life, I've been training in this game of boxing. And, I've waited for this moment, this breakout moment. And this is my moment. Pacquiao was in this moment, when he faced some of the best Mexican fighters of all time, against Morales, Marquez. So he knows exactly what I'm feeling and what I want. So I feel this is going to be a great fight, and I'm up for the challenge. And just want to let everybody know I'm not just here for a paycheck, baby. I'm here to win this fight.
This fight, I'm sure that it's gonna be a good fight because of Tim Bradley style. He loves to fight toe to toe. He keep coming inside and but my problem is the headbutt. So we need to to watch that, you know. So I'm pretty sure that we can give a good fight and we can create a lot of action on June 9th. So please don't miss it.